Hey everyone, welcome back to Upcoming Bike USA, the channel where ultimate luxury meets future imagination, and today we're exploring a vision of absolute elegance on wheels, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome Camper van concept. This is not just a camper, and it's definitely not built for ordinary travel. A Rolls-Royce Motorhome represents the pinnacle of comfort, silence, craftsmanship, and prestige, designed for those who believe the journey should feel as refined as the destination itself. From the outside, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome would look nothing short of majestic. The exterior design would clearly carry the unmistakable Rolls-Royce DNA, starting with a bold, upright front fascia inspired by the legendary Pantheon grille. Finished in polished chrome or illuminated subtly with soft lighting, the grille would be flanked by ultra-slim laser LED headlights that give the motorhome a calm yet commanding presence. The Spirit of Ecstasy hood ornament would proudly sit at the front, reinforcing the sense that this is not a regular RV, but a rolling palace. The body design would be long, elegant, and incredibly clean, with smooth surfaces and minimal visual clutter. Instead of aggressive lines, Rolls-Royce styling would focus on timeless proportions and graceful curves. Two-tone paint options, hand-finished coach lines, and bespoke exterior colors would allow each motorhome to be completely unique. Large panoramic windows would be integrated seamlessly, maintaining privacy while flooding the interior with natural light. At the rear, subtle LED lighting and a refined tail design would complete the exterior with understated luxury rather than flashiness. Step inside, and the moment the door closes, the world outside would disappear. The interior of the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome would be built around the brand's legendary, magic carpet ride, philosophy. Every surface would be wrapped in the finest materials imaginable: hand-stitched leather, open-pore wood veneers, polished metal, and deep pile carpets. The cabin would be almost eerily quiet, thanks to advanced sound insulation, acoustic glass, and vibration-damping technologies. The driver's area would feel more like a luxury lounge than a cockpit. A minimalist digital display system would provide all essential driving information without overwhelming the driver. The steering wheel, seats, and controls would be designed for effortless operation. The seats would be individually sculpted, heated, ventilated, massaging, and fully adjustable, ensuring complete comfort no matter how long the journey. Behind the front seats, the living area would open into a breathtaking space designed for relaxation and sophistication. Plush sofas, reclining lounge chairs, and a beautifully crafted dining table would create an atmosphere closer to a private club than a camper van. Ambient lighting would be soft and indirect, mimicking natural daylight and adapting automatically to the time of day. Star-like LED lighting in the ceiling, inspired by Rolls-Royce's famous Starlight headliner, would add a magical touch during nighttime travel. The kitchen would be discreet yet incredibly capable. Hidden behind elegant cabinetry, you would find premium appliances including an induction cooktop, refrigerator, microwave oven, and even a champagne chiller. Everything would be designed to disappear when not in use, maintaining a clean, uncluttered aesthetic. Storage would be abundant, but completely concealed, reinforcing the sense of calm and order. The sleeping area would redefine what a motorhome bedroom can be. A king-size bed with a handcrafted mattress, adjustable support, and climate-controlled bedding would ensure perfect sleep. Surrounding the bed would be beautifully finished wardrobes, soft lighting, and sound-insulated walls. Large windows with electronically controlled curtains would allow you to enjoy the view or create complete privacy at the touch of a button. The bathroom would feel like a luxury hotel spa. Expect a spacious walk-in shower with rainfall and body jets, a designer vanity, premium fixtures, heated floors, and smart mirrors. Advanced water filtration and recycling systems would allow long off-grid stays without sacrificing comfort or cleanliness. Technology would be integrated subtly, never intrusively. A central control system would allow passengers to manage climate, lighting, entertainment, privacy glass, and security using touchscreens or voice commands. High-end sound systems, ultra-high-definition displays, satellite connectivity, and high-speed internet would make this motorhome perfect for both relaxation and remote work. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome would focus on smoothness rather than speed. It would likely be powered by a next-generation electric or ultra-refined hybrid powertrain, delivering near-silent operation and effortless torque. Acceleration would be smooth and seamless, while adaptive air suspension would ensure the legendary Rolls-Royce floating ride quality even on rough roads. Safety would be uncompromising. The motorhome would feature advanced driver assistance systems including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, night vision, and a full 360-degree camera system. A reinforced structure and cutting-edge braking technology would provide complete peace of mind for occupants at all times. Now let's talk pricing, because a Rolls-Royce motorhome exists in a world beyond normal numbers. The estimated starting price would likely be $1.5 million to over $3 million, depending on customization, materials, and technology. With bespoke finishes and one-of-one specifications, the final cost could easily exceed that range. This is not a vehicle bought off a lot, it's a masterpiece commissioned to reflect its owner's lifestyle. Overall, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome Camper van would represent the ultimate expression of luxury travel. It's not about reaching a destination quickly, it's about traveling in absolute serenity, elegance, and comfort. This is freedom without compromise, wrapped in timeless design and unmatched craftsmanship.